Hi, this is a short video on comparing Microsoft Office Online and the Microsoft apps on a smartphone. I'm going to get started here. I've logged into www.office.com and I can select Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These are the applications that we use in CS 105. I already have the Microsoft Office Online open, so I'm going to do the same thing on my cell phone by clicking on the word app, and you see the interface is very similar. I'm going to go to the blank one. I'll do new here and I'll choose a blank one. You can also see that there are templates available. And basically what I want to do is compare the functionality between the two applications, the one that's online and the one that's on the cell phone. To get to the ribbon, I would click the A and then the little pencil that gives me to the ribbon. And here I am on the Home tab. And what can I do on this? I have the formatting. If I look at this, I have the formatting. I have the bullet points and the alignment, paragraph formatting, the styles that you see here. There's styles also on the cell phone. And we can look at more. And then the other thing that's available is the find. I don't have this option at the replace, but I do have the find. Okay, so that takes care of the first tab, the Home tab. If I look at the Insert tab and I select here and go to Insert, I can insert a table starting here. I can insert pictures, shapes, text box, links. Here's my hyperlink here. Comments here. Headers and footers right here. Page numbers. Footnotes and endnotes. I don't have the option to insert a symbol on the smartphone. This is the end of it right here. But let's go back and take a look now at the layout. And it's page layout here. I can set margins, similar to that, orientation, the size, and then I have columns. This one I can have one full page of columns. I can have two equal width columns and other variations. And then I have the breaks. And I believe that one is here. The page breaks right here is that was on the Insert is now on the Layout tab in the smartphone. If I go to the Reviews tab, I have the spelling, proof and language. So this is the spelling, and I have proof and language here. Okay, and then I have smart lookup, and word count. And then I have new comments. The final tab or ribbon is the view ribbon. And here I have edit the view, reading view, headers and footers, page ends, zoom, and 100%. Here I have the print layout, and these are views. I can view the 100% of the page, one page, or the entire page width. So that takes care of Microsoft Word. When we compare what we can do on both of these two applications, you can do pretty much everything that's required in CS 105. In fact, you can do everything that's required in CS 105 on both applications. Let's take a look at Microsoft Excel. Let me go to a new spreadsheet. And we'll compare the tabs, the ribbon tabs on those two. Okay, we're going to start with the Home tab. Here we have the formatting, color view that change borders, filling the background, the text color, the alignment. We can merge cells and center them. We can do wrap the text, text direction from left to right or right to left. We can do cell styles, number formats, very similar to what's available on the other view. And we have insert and delete. We can shift cells to the left or to the right or down or up. And then we can insert rows, insert columns, delete columns, and delete sections that we want. And then we can clear everything or clear certain formats. On the online version, you can, well, they have the paste, but you can also paste within the the smartphone application. This is a paste where you can cut, copy, and paste. Okay, so that's available as well. Here you have your formatting, your background borders, if you want to set borders. Okay, you have your alignment, your numbers, formatting. Okay, survey. We don't have a survey option on the cell phone edition, but we can format the cell, format the table cells. Okay, you can insert cells here, delete cells. We have auto sum, sorting, and find. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're just going to go back here and compare. Here's the auto sum, the sort and filter, and the find. So we have all of those functions as well. If we look at the insert, and we're going to look at the insert tab, first thing to notice is we don't have the functions, but that's okay. They have that separate. We can insert tables, but we don't have the surveys. We can insert pictures. We can insert shapes, text boxes. Now this right here is for if I had numbers let me just go ahead and put some numbers. Okay, if I had highlighted those numbers, and then I was to go to the insert and go to the recommendation, Then it'll give me a list of different charts that I can create using the information that I've highlighted. Okay, also I can go here and it'll list all the various charts that you can create within this application. And these are there are other charts here, the ones that they list, plus other ones that they have here. Okay, and then we have, let me go back to the insert. Okay, after we have comments that we can insert here, but we don't have the hyperlinks. That's one of the things that they don't have here. But let's look and see on the formulas so that you can see that you have all the different functions that you have in Excel. You can use those. Okay, commonly used, all of these, we have pretty much all of these here. And the calculate now button, so that you can recalculate something. That F9 is usually the calculate now button. And then the review, we don't have a data tab, but we do have the calculate now, which is calculate the workbook. This is refresh connection, refresh all the connection, sort, sort ascending is sort descending. And then review, we're going to look at that. We have comments and show comments, pretty much similar to what's going on here. And then the final one, view, we list what tabs are going to be visible, and then whether the sheet is from the right to the left or left to the right, and then the freeze panes, we can set up the freeze panes here. Okay, so that's comparing both Excel Online and also Excel, the Excel app on the smartphone. This one is the Android. Okay, now we're going to compare Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, this is a new one, and you can see there are templates available for you to do similar to what they have here. So what's available here. So look, we're going to just do a blank presentation just to compare the functionality. If I look at here, let's go to the Home tab. We have here the formatting options, the bulleted list, and the alignments, similar to what's in here, the paragraph, justification, text rotation, okay, and we have new slides, so you can put new slides, okay, and the layout. They don't have a duplicate slide, so you would have to copy a slide, but we do have the layouts, okay, so we do have that, and then they'll show those here. The ones that are available to you. Okay, let's go to the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, we can similarly, a new slide, you can insert a new slide, a table, a picture. We don't have the option of inserting an online picture, but we do have the ability to insert shapes, a text box, and we don't have the Office add-ins or the hyperlinks. We do have the text box. On this one, we don't have to insert a comment, our online video. Okay, let's go to the design ribbon. If you look at the themes, you have pretty much the same thing on the smartphone as you have in the online environment. And if we go to next to transitions, we have the transition effects. These are all the transition effects that we have. Okay, and you have the apply to all the slides. Okay, and then let's look. We don't have animation. Animation is something we don't have in this particular one, but we do have the slideshow tab similar to the one that's on the computer, where you can begin the slideshow from the beginning, or you can begin the slideshow from the current slide, or you can hide slides. The next one is view, and on here we have review, and that means you can make markups. You can mark up your slides. Okay, and then for view, here we can you can view the direction, left to right or right to left, zoom in, zoom out, fit to the window, and then that's all we have here. They have the zoom in, fit to the window. They have notes here where you can look at the notes and show the comments. Slideshow and reading. Here they have the slideshow. Okay, that one's just blocked. So basically, whatever you can do, whatever's available on the that's available actually on the smartphone app is also available online. And here you have it where you can enter your notes. So you can actually start something if you save it. If you save your applications to the OneDrive, you can share between what you're doing on your cell phone as well as what you're doing online. So you can begin something online and finish it on your cell phone. And that concludes the short video.